this is me selling a plot of dry land for you for 700,000 naira for a 600 square meters. Wow. And in Ekpe, make your research about Ekpe. So how much will this go for come January 15? The land will be appreciating. This place started selling about some few months ago for 400,000 naira. And as you can see, it has appreciated itself. Look at our perimeter fencing in progress. We have our gatehouse already. And as you can see, like I have mentioned before, this is a dry land. So are you looking at land banking? That is, you want to buy and keep for future investment purposes. Here is the right place. Are you also looking at maybe you're the type to want to build a country home because you do not like all the buzzers and hassles of Lagos metropolitan city at the moment? Then this is your best bet. Key Haven Estate 2. We sold one. It was a success. This would not be any better. And if not best, sorry. And considering the developers of this place, Keisha Properties, who
Yes, you're welcome back. And like I did talk some few minutes ago, I talked say the property mama, that is woman where they buy land, sell land, she done ready, she done tanda gidigba. Oh yeah, Madam Diola, how you dey? Happy New Year.
I wish you the same. Oh, Happy New Year, everybody.
And congratulations to you on your award and everything.
Thank you so much. All on God.
Thank
you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. I'm so grateful. So our package for today is still no other place than Ekpe Alaro. Ekpe, Lagos State. And like I've been clamoring, it's still no other place than Key Haven City, Phase 2 at Ekpe. Some few months ago, let's say 2-3 months ago, we started selling out this place for 400,000 naira per plot, a 600 square meters. And due to development that we normally do on our estates, as regards this company, it's, went up to 500. Currently, it's selling for 700,000 for a plot.
Which means, they stop there.
I just said but. Come 15th of this month, which is some few days to this time, it's going to be 800,000 naira. That's on Friday. It's going to be 800,000. But for the purpose of this program, I'll be giving leverage till Sunday for whoever is going to key in for a plot. And with an initial deposit of 250,000 naira, you can become a landowner.
Pay about 200. Where person pay 250?
Yes. You can spread your balance for 3 months. We have up to 6 month and 12-month payment plan as well.
Wow. On top the 700.
Yes.
Wow.
We have it. For 6 months, it will be 770.
Sure, there will be.
Then for 12 months, it's going to be 840.
Okay.
Then your documentation fee, survey in your name, estate development, which includes the good road, third road, survey, and every other thing, is going to be 1.2 total package.
Everything we person need to.
Everything that needs to be known, 1.2. So hurry now, while the offer is still on. Ekpe is the new Lagos. Ekpe, nobody should joke with Ekpe at the moment. Ekpe is going to be boom. It's going to wow you in the next few years. Don't be surprised. The property you're buying now for 700 might be 5 million in the next few months.
Because I hear rumors, say maybe for that, I don't know, maybe not Ekpe or I could say maybe Fort Milan Bridge.
Yes, so it is not rumor. It is coming from Ikorodu. The bridge, I think they started itself from Ikorodu. It's going to transcend down to the island to avoid traffic.
From Ikorodu down to island.
A lot of people coming to Ekpe.
Wow.
There's a place they're calling Alaro City presently in Ekpe. Inside that place, it's like a free trade zone. A plot in that place, if I'm not mistaken, it's like 23 million naira for this 600 square meters that we're talking about.
A plot?
Yes, a plot. A plot, Ekpe, presently. So if you can, get a piece of the cake, grab your own portion. The best gift on earth, I keep saying, is a piece of the earth. Grab your own corner. Let people know that this is my space. Own a little of it. That's the best thing you can do for yourself and your generations to come. And Ekpe is the ideal place now. It's showing very close proximity with Ibeju-Lekki. And for me, like I always say, while Ibeju will remain more of an industrial zone, Ekpe will do more of a residential zone. Just like you are working in the center of Lagos, Ikeja, and living in its vicinity.
Okay.
So Ekpe, people are not even joking with Ekpe, that's the truth. People are really, really coming up to Ekpe. So you as a person too, I want you to have your own place in Ekpe. And it is flexible. The payment plan is flexible.
It's so easy.
For anybody to come on board. It's just like bringing in a piece of goodie to the world. Let them know that we are, and our company, development is key. That is why these prices are skyrocketing. Because presently now we started the gate house. If you can show us the gate house, the gate house, the perimeter fencing, you know, everything has started. Look at it, our gate house is in construction.
Okay.
It is a dry land. It's something that once you pay fully, you can start building.
Once you pay fully,
you can start building.
Is it that there is a particular plan that we must build? Everybody is entitled to build whatever he like. You know, some men say they could say they are not like this, you must build.
No. Though there are some guidelines when it comes to real estate. Maybe leaving some, you know, setbacks. But in this kind of situation now, you can build whatever you like, though you still follow the company's guideline.
Yes.
Like the setback I just mentioned, which is might be one or few of them.
Okay.
But this place, you can build whatever you like. You want a duplex, do it there. You want a bungalow,
do it there.
A flat,
do it there.
Face me, I face you.
You don't need.
That's just on a lighter mood. But please, I keep talking about Ekpe. It's not because of any other thing, but because of what it promises in the nearest future.
Yes, Madam Owas, and don't make us realize, say, Ekpe na be the main thing now. You can see our details for those who be say, maybe they try reach us, never connect, write our number down. That's our WhatsApp number, 08052882703. Or if you follow her on top of Instagram, at Queen Adi, underscore realtors. Then you feel also still feel calling now, or even if you say the thing no connect now, still calling. If you need a number, they could definitely give out to you to make sure say you reach them and yourself you maximize from this opportunity where they go on, because the thing where they move from 400, 500, 700
and going to 800.
Even me, I think now. They think land banking safe. So maybe I want build them or I no build them. If I buy them, keep them. That means that in the next 1 year, by this time, January 2022, I know it's definitely going to be over
Can I chip in something?
$1 million. Yeah.
The first one that got sold out, that was started selling before the coronavirus lockdown last year.
Yeah, that's before March.
Is now sold out.
Okay.
But presently in that phase one, let's say somebody wants to resell for the sake of appreciation. We started selling that place for 250,000 naira.
Just 250,000
for a full plot. Introductory price. A lot of people actually saw that vision and maximized it. Some even bought more than 5 acres. 250,000
250
for a plot. A plot now in that place, even in the space of just 1 year, the total package for that place now is like 3 million naira.
Oh, it's so fuming down. Oh, Maria was in rain or rain call. You know, tell me that time now.
So it's just
250. That be
forcing.
No.
It's about foresight. Foresight. Some people will see bush. Why some people will see gold? I keep saying this. You'll be looking like, maybe IoT develop, some people will be seeing gold. Raw. Mine. Gold.
250.
Yes.
Now as we speak, 3 million.
Yes, 3 million is its appreciation as we speak, and it is sold out. So imagine those that bought like 5 plots. Just
That's
5 plots.
Cool 15 million. Cool 15 million.
Please come for Ekpe. Then, to just slide it in. Our bungalow is still selling out fast. Our bungalow at Awoyaya. 3-bedroom, semi-detached bungalow, all en suite. For 40 million naira, is still selling out fast. With an initial deposit of 2.8 million, you can become a house owner at Awoyaya Oribanwa, very close to Lagos Business School. Just few bus stops after Shangotedu ShopRite. So we have a lot of offers for you, be it land, house, buy and build, buy to keep.
Buy to keep.
Yes, short let, because once you buy a house, if you don't want to live there, you don't want to rent it out, you can use it for a short let.
That one's every day.
So just call the numbers. We have different options for different people.
Okay, thank you very much. Most definitely, I know everybody don't hear say the way they go now to go into Ekpe. Madam Diola will say very big thank you.
Thank
and
you,
to our
sir.
esteemed viewers, get this opportunity, grab them and make use of it.
Fast.
Bye.
Bye.